Welcome back to Lon's Rods on the teardown on the 392 Hemi. She had a bunch of gunk in the oil pan, so the back two rods left the chat and damaged one of the cylinders and took out the cam. One of the lifters took out the cam lobe, so this block could be cleaned up, but why when I have another block? So yeah, it takes three blown engines, Hemis, to build one good one. So 392 is going in the 66 Cornet, and these are all the goodies I got. So I got the Eagle heads, Eagle intake, valve covers, exhaust manifolds, but I'm not going to use them because I'm going to use headers, and then the wire harness, all for $50. Thanks. Like and subscribe to Lon's Rods. Have a good one. Later.